This is Anthony. Today I'm going to show you the differences between the track machines and the wheel machines. These are There's a 624 on the right and an 824 on the left. They're exact same size machines. So this should be a pretty good test. Let's start with the wheeled machine. The one thing you're going to notice that these are really easy to turn around. See how easy it is to maneuver? That's one of the pluses. Let's see how it works on the berm. It doesn't have a step, so let's see. Going too fast. One of the complaints about the wheel machines that it rides up on the berms. So some people put a weight kit right here to keep the bucket down because you don't have the height adjustment pedal to keep it down. So what I have to usually do is I have to kind of lift up on the handlebars to keep the bucket down. But these machines are really good for flat surfaces, not so much if it's really sloped, because then the tires will slip. This machine has an impeller can in it too. I really like the wheel machines because if you look at my driveway, it's kind of flat. It's a little bit of slope, so I don't have too much trouble with it. But sometimes on the berms, the tires will spin and the machine will ride up. Another disadvantage of the wheel machines is that they don't very easily climb stairs. Like if you wanted to climb stairs onto your walkway or your deck or something, it's a little bit more sketchy. I generally have to take a smaller bite with this 24-inch on the berms, especially because otherwise it will ride up a little bit. So maybe I could put a weight kit on the top of the bucket there, but I really like these machines for the decks, walkways, my driveway. A lot of times I'll use this machine because it blows so well, and then I'll bring out my track machine to do the berms, because you've got the height adjustment pedal down here, and you can adjust the machine, you know, really close to the ground, and it won't ride up at all. So let me try this one. It's a little bit warmed up, so I don't have to warm it up. It's already warmed up. I'm not going to take a full bite. I'm just going to take about I don't know, a third or a half. And I'll go nice and slow so it doesn't bog down. If I go too fast, it will bog down. I'm just taking it easy on my berm here. I got about a half a bucket, right? And it's getting all the way down to the ground, pretty much. This one's got an impeller kit too, so it's throwing pretty good. Let's see if I can go a little bit faster. I can go faster as long as I'm not taking too much. It bogs down a little bit. Okay. What I really like about the track machines, you get better traction. You can climb steers a lot easier, and up snowbanks or whatever. Both machines perform almost equally well, but I wanted to show the differences between the tracks and the wheels, so you can make a better decision on what you want to buy. The track machines are a lot better when you've got a sloping driveway, you've got a steep driveway, of course. You've got more surface area hitting the ground, so you get better traction. On the wheel machines, you're going to you might get some slippage on your tires when it comes to ice and snow on a slope mainly, or if you have a berm that's really, really hard. It's going to hit the berm, but the tires are going to spin somewhat, and the bucket's going to rise up a little bit. So what I've found over the years, I've had this thing for about 10 years. What I found out over the years, I usually have to do the berm twice. I'll have to do a small pass, and then I'm going to have to back up and do the floor, because it rises up a little bit and it leaves a couple inches on the ground. So usually I like to use my track machine for that. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe as always, and I appreciate everybody on our Honda Snowblower enthusiast group and our new channel. Thank you very much.